the thing is, how do you know if the guy is even interested in you?
How do you figure that out?
You figure that out first, and then you start blatantly hitting on the guy.
I mean,
not before.
Okay.
Because
Weird.
फिर उसमें वो then they're gonna take you for granted ना, that ये तो है ही लड़की यार, she's always there, मैं कुछ भी करूँ, then I mean they're gonna just take you for granted. That's it.
Yeah, I get
Honestly
that.
speaking.
But have you experienced this thing?
What?
कि कभी किसी लड़की ने बहुत false expectations कर ली हो, and then you had to make it very clear about this कि
यार कई बार हो जाता है और मैं
dear please.
हाँ मैं बहुत uncomfortable हो जाता हूँ कि ये क्या हमने बात भी नहीं करी है और फिर ये पहली शादी वादी सोच रही है.
I want to know a guy's perspective on this thing.
I really that become very weird.
Okay.
If a girl does that. And I'm very impulsive with things usually. So impulsive in the sense that I could be talking to you for a month and uske baad if it gets weird, I will drop it right then and there.
Okay.
So I mean I've got like stronger boundaries and everything, you can say.
Yeah.
Or maybe I'm a bit of more of an asshole. Anything. But I think my more responsibility is towards myself than pleasing other people. जहाँ मैंने वो commit ही नहीं किया कुछ भी.
Right.
Did you get it?
Makes
So,
sense.
About that, अरे यार,
क्या हुआ?
this fucking speed limit thing.
अच्छा ओह.
या मैम जा ही नहीं रहे वहाँ पे, क्यों बता रहे भाई speed limit हमें? चुप यार.
Okay.
Horn मार रहा है. हाँ, anyway, so point being, I would not ask you to initiate पहले. Let the guys do it ना.
Yeah.
See, पहले से बंदों ने इनिशिएट किया है, लड़कियां हमेशा चूज करती हैं कि हमें ये वाला बंदा चाहिए. अगर वो रोल फ्लिप हो जाता है जो आइडियली सही है, बट एक इमोशनल लेवल पे थोड़ा अजीब भी लगता है उससे यार.
Right.
For guys maybe. And I would rather, for you personally, I would rather be like बंदों को पीछे पड़ने दो ना थोड़ा. Like you could give a hint, you could make a move.
And how do you give those right precise hints? Let's just talk about that.
यार बंदे की फोटो लाइक करके छोड़ दी.
अच्छा.
ठीक है.
But ये तो मतलब मैं सबके साथ ही करती हूँ. I like everybody's photos.
हाँ, but like.
Don't make it obvious.
Don't make it obvious, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, leave it to like chance, ना. बंदा सोच रहा है क्या है क्या नहीं है. For that, you could say hi. You would reply to a story and then see कि वो कहाँ जा रहा है. So you can throw in baits and then see if the guy likes you. कितना वो कर रहा है. Let's say you reply to a guy's story or like, don't be like, oh my god, you're so hot. नहीं. Just be like, haha, that's so funny.
Right.
Maybe just that, and then see what the guy replies. If the guy is not initiating the conversation after that, do not. Because if you initiate after that, that means वो बंदा वो ले ही नहीं रहा है ना, bait ही नहीं ले रहा है, that means he's not interested वहीं पे. और फिर उसके में if you also don't be after him, I think that will increase bit of respect more. That depends.
Guys. But I have this one story. One date story I want to share.
बताओ.
I went to this was a Bumble date, ठीक है? But on Bumble I met this guy who was my senior. ठीक है?
School का
senior.
ठीक है.
तो मतलब वो हो गया कि मतलब you know when you
Which
know.
school were you in?
Tagore International.
Vasant यार. My brother, my sister were there यार.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Which batch?
They were 2014, 2013 batch.
Yeah.
13, 15, 14.
I'm in 2017 batch.
Do you know?
Yeah.
She's a dancer. She's my sister.
Oh.
And
Hi. I know.
my boys, yeah.
I know these guys.
Yeah.
इन्हीं के बैच का है वो लड़का.
क्या नाम है?
Yeah.
नहीं मैं नहीं जानता यार.
ये सारे नाम बीप करने हैं ना मेरे को.
हाँ ये तुम करो यार बीप.
हाँ.
स्कूल तो डाल सकते हो but.
स्कूल यार I have not disclosed but ठीक है चलो this podcast.
It's up to you. It's up to you. यार.
This is a podcast exclusive. तुम लोग को मेरा स्कूल पता चल चुका है. But yeah, anyway, so what happened? This was a school senior, and I went on this date. ठीक है, summer house गए थे हम लोग, and भाई मम्मी नहीं, this is just a made up story. तो
Your mom's watching this.
I don't know. So हाँ तो फिर हम लोग डेट पे गए and हम बम्बल पे मिले थे. So on Bumble I have not mentioned that I am a content creator. And for the obvious fact कि बंदा अगर मेरे Instagram या YouTube पे जाएगा तो उसके कुछ और ही वो reasons हो सकते हैं to meet me. So that's why I never mentioned. तो हम लोग का plan out हुआ. I gave him my number. हमने बात की and we planned out this thing. But when we met, we were talking and he suddenly brings up this thing that Sukriti, मेरे को ना, I actually saw this one video of yours on YouTube and it was with Prakhar.
हाँ.
And मैंने कहा अच्छा.
तो क्या मैं तुम्हें को प्रखर का लंच चुसवा दूँ?
हाँ. And I was like fuck. उसी दिन मैंने बम्बल हटा दिया अपने फोन से.
वो भी जरूरत नहीं थी, but
बहुत like that was the turn off. मैंने प्रखर को बाद में आके बताया, like I sent him a voice note पूरा सीन बता के कि क्या हुआ.
तो डेट पे वो बंदा ये कह रहा है.
डेट पे वो ये कह रहा है.
I mean, that was the sole purpose of meeting you?
I don't know.
But then you could have seen ना बंदे, they could have met you and they could have wanted to meet. अब see, if you go on a date with a boy around your age, there's a high chance they'll be following me or Prakhar or Vedant or people around, right? Or even Tanmay, जैसे you made a video. Then anybody can be fanboyed ना उसमें.
नहीं, अब now I didn't know. मैंने कहा इसको पता कैसे चला that तो उसने, I think he was a very avid follower of Prakhar, तो उसने कहीं recommendations में देख लिया था.
यार वो पता चल जाएगा, पता है लड़कियों को, like I'm talking to them, they come on my Instagram, see my YouTube and they're like, oh you do this, you're a dating coach. हाँ. मैं कहा अब यही है भाई. पहले तो I'd be like, oh shit यार इसको पता चल गया और she's not gonna like it. Now I'm just like अब भाई पता चल गया तो चल गया, जो है वो है.
अरे बंदियों को तो पता है जी, फिर नहीं इसका गेम बहुत strong होगा.
हाँ, तो वो बोलते हैं नहीं you're a player and they get even more like कि नहीं ये बंदा गड़बड़ है. But that depends. Now I just own it, so it's just much better. Rather than being like इसको पता चल गया. Now if she has a problem मत मिलो भाई.
नहीं, but then he is not meeting me for the right reasons ना. अब उसके बाद he was.
What I'm saying, it could be a mix of reasons. Maybe.
Okay.
What I'm saying, it could be both, because there's a high chance people your age would be following, like because Prakhar, Shwetab, everyone, Vedant.
Right,
I mean, all of us are growing also आगे जाके ना, and the audience is that only. So I mean, there's a high chance that's all I'm saying.
Yeah, नहीं उसके बाद क्योंकि उसने और थोड़ी हरकत की which I didn't like.
अच्छा.
So
then it makes sense.
Yeah, so what he did कि उसने बंदे ने मेरे को after the date मैंने ठीक है okay, I was nice to him throughout. मैंने नहीं बोला कि अरे अच्छा तू उससे मिल इसकी चक्कर है मेरा. So I was nice to him and then after the date he says कि अच्छा let's meet again and उसका after that he had some different plans. So मैंने मतलब I don't mind the plans but मेरे पास time नहीं था that week. I had some shoes या कुछ. So I told him clearly कि this week I don't have time, weekend मिलते हैं. So this was a Friday. I said next Friday मिलते हैं. So he said नहीं यार Monday आजा, we'll chill, we'll do this ये वो इतना क्या. And then he said this one line which was complete turn off, more than Prakhar वाली बात.
अच्छा.
That was, why are you taking this hobby so seriously?
Which hobby?
YouTube.
Content अरे चूतिया लॉडू इंसान.
I'm like what? बस उसके बाद वो बंदा ब्लॉक हो गया.
Fucking dumb bag.